Odofo ene ye wo issues bebre me activate phone lines so ma mo ntem every say ensam hihye nipa emremu ni ma wo yare wonyo obi anka nkyere no wo baba akuma mama zimbi ene me maame aye mieno fa wonsam ne bra nyankopɔ ma so ebe ma ne nsa so e wo abrapo mu enti obetimi akom Instagram page nso odo bibi di wunya fa bra making kind na ni nyina so ye di nkita ho but see for way who worry for so many years asa nyankopɔn ofre ura na ankanye enra isu ye ba ye nyame adom ye kama ne siye na oba no timi apologize ye e ma ni kunu na okunu so timi apologize ye e ma ne yire ahemfo ni ahema nyinara minister say asofo ekuku dam hey say wodi mu sem de anya agro eni mo asofo eni mo lawyer e just eni just tibi awugina say bufo ni ba say ya hey enti sana mema bi nso timidi atempa and then some amate me wanwa hey
so
be bit me twa konya tena so o se enne me ne
horo
oso osi no no aka ne sa betie ana tuwo zafi be bi nsam no o oso me be ka o sa betie na masiu na my oso tuwo zafi na me de ehu na me de adiu. Oh, but oh my God. But nyame ma ne nsa so bebre e ma ne ye kama. Nyame ma ne nsa so bebre e ma ne ye thank you so much mami. Nyame ma ne nsa so bebre e ma ne ye kama. Adan na wade mu. Empratwe mu. Edidi atem. Bibi kakra enya abotre. De wo se yeda ne ye ho aboa agiramoa ne ye bu ani hie no. Na sabia e kraman. Na ye atem didie bebre sei.
Ye po.
Na mama adan.
Yo akuma sana mebua wasemi. Na wo program so o ka owo bi. Na
Brakofi.
Me kai be some 4-5 years ago ni fie wura ka baby. Obe me wonu wa hopa.
Yeah.
Na o invite yen na ye call aye no. Na mighty house bi a papa na si no. Ni fie wura no so ma ne ntumfi. Baby otu wo ni fie no.
Yeah.
Nti ni fie na wase no na okoma ye reception ho. Oye calm respectable man.
Brakofi.
May so
rest in perfect peace.
Okuma awari mu atem didie. Meka say ejina entitiye. Yes. Afa nunu nyina no. Obuwa efia yatiti no wo mu no. Eja enim se ena ense mibu no.
Okay.
Le nanso blibinti ebia ena no wo sika kakra na ofisika mu. Nti omu mema. Nti pa se ode me pa ocho dada wo se den.
Onim saade.
Onim ye. Ena se mofra wo ho, mofra ni ho, so wo ho ni ho. Abani mu se so utu bi manukunu. Ana utu bi manayere no. Obeye.
Okay.
Ena afi nso environmental influence. Ebia area na wote no. Eyawo ene ne won language. Excuse me to say. Oye flefle. Yaka bomo. Debia ote.
Yeah.
Nti ada na menso memfa bi enye meyira na mekunu.
Okay.
Obu okura sebe na no mue na ano na obe yo say. Nti wo no wo baby a wonte se wo mu ku. But oye no pa mani bo.
Actions speaks louder than words.
Oh. Na
Tikene.
Bema ye twa ni si wanu wudi ni nyina. Oh. I think it here if your environment
Enti what say empatemo kura na woka just oh na okuru onkasa and so the action na eye wade no or the action na eye enti onkasa mo bi nte wow
the environment no so count and na afi so economic hardship no etumi ma the papa edan ni pa boni
okay
masora no pa me expect say me kunu be ma me sika de akodigwa ana de abofre bi oyare akọ hospital ana me de house keeping bibi be ma no so ebi asa week no emu nye ma no wasora no pa se oma oye na sede ase okunu enso biribi nti onya nti obe sorry no why tensed up dada and oba no so expectation no so cannot be met nti we no apoma tradition to mam we apoma tradition to mam nti any crash na explode
enti enye se e bia odo no na eni ho na mo hardship no ene niam bia ye nte ase no eno na e ma sa antem didie ne bra odofo enne no ye bebo nkomo enti se enra no wenya emre amfre ankyere wadwen na emre beba titwa akoma to ye ba se die mesre wo na metwa be ho akwa abakakra menko ba bia atwan me sesia medase Adishima midamu nyina ase masa mo bibiara akọ babie wo program ni sunie Odo Ahomaso bebia de edi wunya ejojo wo nyame ya adom na nya kokuduro ana o calls ne ebe through a wotimeka na afa wiase nyina esuade afrimu na yenso yetimi ma akwankyrepa na wotu anamo na eboa bebre sisi na ye discuss na wo kase
ya nema atim didieba awari makaka kra na uhwe emma training nsia etumi espake
atemdidie
yes on say awar for me no benya few families na wonyina wodo mofra no at the same time ana level no
okay
enti won tie eyesa nyeden
okay
na where abon say papa ne do ne baba mama ne dɔne baberma na wo mu baako ye bone na wo kotie na wantie anto papa ana mama no koma so ya etumi spark adena kwesi do tan sa adena wo de me ho chiri kwesi
ene sisi
wo tade a wo ma magipe no wo ja kwesi that sort of comparison no tem be the tension
and also wakwa wade na wakoto child bi ho ana wo so de bi ko na nkwala no etimi spark we ko ka ne maami we aka ne papa we na afei
woni wa da say ni say o child e kura o membi o mama kitikiti na mama ne so de ato no no so ato bibi aba no wa ma ne stepson no a stepchild no ketua bi ono so no papa ba no wakoka into accumulation of offenses yes it means sparking
in fact papa
afenso insecurity in marriage
onyu hu di awade ne mo ntem ho ase wo suro kakra
na ebi a oba no say me education level and
madisua wo form me ho nye fe
ahofe no pode ebi a bibi na papa no hu wo mu no be ware
okay
na bia na lusua mu o low na papa no so wo high nti papa no ko office no ko hia sa psychedelic young woman ya
how experience bia no a
maame no feel insecure say me kunu obeja me akofa we ana nukunu ni check akra bi mpo wo adwuma ma yopon no nu fie ntema me da man ko school nti me wo pon kra wo mafie mpese wo behwe manim
ana se adwuma mu no oba no ye pani wa adwuma bim na be ma no so ne de no hyase adwene in fact enra no dodo na say ye pese ye tie enene biom na se mamu ni muntia na Odo Ahomaso ho ye ni mu na enyini ko enti so be problem ba na ya desua ye bebo amama sentie enti adehima ma we de mesremo na enyina ye sentie de esi enra e wo Odo Ahomaso medamase yo ye tie openi
oh pacho ekuma mini program no ni nyao personal and kebe me de pa
o de kakakra kire ye na me ya me personal na man so ama
the pacho me ababa wa bi o na be almost 5 years ya yetna ya ni na makobo kokoko me busa for ba ya ma na busa be shi ma ya bokoko ya bi ewie ama disi a me no ka se me na wo ma mienu.
Oh, okay.
Bema baako, oba baako.
Ewo kokoko na emu. Ai kwaku. Wapo kokoko awo oba wo sa wo bema. E ma nkole kra mi bi se won fi o mwadi kra no a. E bia na wo mwadi fi ahia he.
Ekuma me pacho, sisi ano. Me ka e babo ayo na ya ko no ho ade. Be ho babo anu mo. Na se ntu kwankwa no na mekum.
Ono bekum. Me cry ka me she gloves wa ho na se me swe you chale wa bokoko yes bremu afi asaso akopiem akoda mpaso adwonso ama dwonso na enipa o da so sister mo bufu
ekuma nji ja menye den
kono ho ade na dey sisi
enwo ade ekuma enwo ade ye no a ye ba ko ye ni no no ye ni tam ni ko ye
Mona moye o. Me ni abe matie me. You see, me I'll say it as it is. Say ene won plan me. Na bo hia na me namoa. E woni ma be kan me wa o me o say. Afa e kosa na afa tete me. Certainly the woman will change. Because what change? Me wan say bia na usika kakra wunya o de ba no. You are wasting it other ones somewhere. Na say sika no kwa o kata so a. You save ye kwa oba no ade wo usma kokoko ni mu no wa dina mankola mienu abem. In fact me dem ma muntie oba no so no se me mpede ya moye no wo me waawo mo etimi ahyam ho so ebe ba ko abem wo ntwen ma mienu mmem ansa wa koyo oba no ade e dia na wo twen wo yo obi krampo a me ni abema wo yo obi a me ni oba religion owo mu anase tribe of him. But me crashing me fine. Ain't think owu wie e fa no fa ne ba no. Ye betu akwari din ni kura no. Na wa ye ne ho ade afra. So ho. Wa ye ne ho ade afra. Na mo de kwaku unya adwuma bia ho.
Me pato me sliding windows.
Sliding windows ska mo ji. Wo high time.
Sika wudi. Kuma nyese bia me pese me ade no.
Ba de
na kinu se me hun na me ye bato
kasa mi tio
me hun na bokoko ni wie no ena ye se me mpe container bi na me nyama no no fa je business ansana no ho ade ne akoye
wa na ka sa chero
o am no ka sa chero me
okay koso
na me ye container na ma no container me ye ma no ejuma me ye ma na no egu no me ye ma na no egu no
okay
o ti ase di ti na bato se
koso
mpati bi fi a me sa so ye foforo ama no ndi yin na ya adwen se me ye wi no ono start business na ya boabo ya ho na yakoye what I say but ono mfa se bia no wod na me ye nti no ye sa de no
na de ene no ye
mbumi ankasa
omu wo kwa ba so
from the beginning from the beginning ama be ko adukwa pen
ena akobo kokoko no
Dedi me bokoko na ansa we mu na happen.
Ba me pa cho tie me nia ba ma. Kokoko e kobo no. E no nchechiri wo mfa change aso akobo kokoko nti chinchi akowari sa oba no. Me de me nya ebusue nyina ba me bia ba so bokoko aboma ne tai. After 2 months so ma ba ma fro by de ba ne ba ma no. Se ebusue betimi agina e sa de no a ebi nkobo kokoko 5 years, 10 years, 8 years, 15 years na all da sugu ho. Wate wone na bokoko me nkan say e bia attitude me nya na nka oba ne wo ho na mati ade kwanti a ofa ni die ema me ne be kasa me ni aba kasa fama no oba me srew me ni mu bia program tin ma frɛ ji telephone ya kasa me srew me ni aba hello sweetheart waba Yes, one kasa wuti we yi boni o.
Hello.
Me da say. Oba pa na what to say?
Pastor Moyo.
Me da say. Wo kunu so wani nso no. Anka wani so ne pa anka say wa ye ho ade dada. In fact, on plan we. Also wo wani nso no ntira ontimi nko na nimi o. Na e ba ne say.
Well, when the last week Sunday na me so me come ma me ho.
Me pa cha say.
Last week Sunday no.
Yes.
And I'm seeing come ma me ho. Yes, me sha ta ye no kasa. Nti o wa na into pan ba ya ye na ye kasa tia ye ho ye kasa tia ye.
Wo come ma na akwa ye den.
Na me kwa discover no ho abetia so ye susu wa.
Hey. We dey nansi asem o. We nansi asem nya no na ide ntokwa ne baaye. Wo kru be ma na oba baba ye wo kru ochina na ochina chi ana mfie mienu achi no. Wo se wani nso no. Okobo okokoko e baaye no. Mo nyina mo da me do. Ye ni se mo ye sa de we nyina awie ye no. Wo di na tem. Eyampa na enyampa.
Pasha yampa.
Ada na wo di na tem.
Pasha.
Adenti na wo di na tem.
Oh yeah, na like almost so di matem na
Debbie, uni case. We uni case back okra.
Never do that.
Me pa chotie. Said ye tie biara. We anya won ko afutura me de ma wo. Oba biara wa wade ase biara. Benti wa no say da eni wo matem da. Onu di matem kwa de hwe no. So on say no do go so. Say ebu a wo mu no. Eni di e won fa ma ni nti no. Eye ne den so be wa ko ware wo. Me pa cho ati ase. Eye wo suman a wo se wo kire nti no ntimi ko no. E na se so star ma ko wunyi. Se we di mfia hen.
But 27.
27 years. And the only chance ache say 5 years ni dia 27 na 22. 22 na mo start di mo ho sa no. Mensre. This is a serious issue. Be man so di mfia hen.
Me should have
Oh my God. Yo mate, ejuma be na wo ye.
But me pon ebiane ho nyoma. Enti me wo ye no. Me ko e no bie foforo. Awo me nchen. But no one knows me che ofin me expire.
Good.
And I'm yanka me not nine I was saying yes and me say come my sister.
Niema na expire no. Niema na expire no.
But then you expand them to 2 good years. Enti me yanka e pese ye business foforo biom. Say no bia be bie no. Na content them me no what na say yenye ni kene ye de come my sister. Enti second one no ye said beton sa. Ye tutu.
Ye mo ton san o container nim.
Ni jai makoni dene no. Na me ye jai na no first one be ma no.
Yeah.
Me ba no bi ye bi.
Okay.
And me jai. The second one no.
Can say we jai.
Of our mama is gonna be got time so be boom. And no auntie na papa free mo. So free mo no there so ye nyabure ye no scan you want ye come na me yi de corn ye de ye no.
Many about can some a year pay is ya dear Odo Ahomaso.
Presently, ye can be and a 1 week near year no a yen put them and me out for Naminium. Of Aquala or Barman to make you going to and also so many barman wants to know that say.
Bibia a grabu. Entina de okunu ka say o hye wodwa edwa no entimi nyin no no kra me boa na me sre wo e wani diem me nua ba me baba 27 de wo ye me baba na emra wo papa wo ye no wo yiska ye de ko ye ni 1 week no ne wo kunu sesen ho oni wo kun discuss e ye frozen bo fie di mame ye frozen
amen.
Ye fro afia. Afia. O ma me ma no o to so ahen.
Me na me last but one.
Una last but one. Unu anu ma o ma ware ho. Ana opa na ya oba.
But the dana ba ko e ma 4.
E ma 4 no, mo nyina ma ware.
But the penny na pa na ware.
Aha. Enti wan sua ade kra mfi sister penny ho. Se be ma hye wo dwetire. Wo ho akire wo se den na wo peso bo wo sua kra ene wo kun no enkasa ho en. Na wo de dwetire de ama wo no. Eno na wo de akọ. A wo ne na discuss. Me nua ba wa anya ni yi o. We de apologize ma wo kru ni yi papa. Na sisa wo suban. Na sisa wo suban. Men si wano enye be ma biom. En de anya de me ho. De me kan ate. Anka sampo na anka nyumre wo so nwe aduane ma ni kra anka mete ase. Na so ni be ma be gina ho face so ye na say hey e bia na bia motekra no eye fie kasi mu a obi nso cheme ho na ye wo hwew afi sa be makro na wodi watem edi na tem no afi ubesa ko bai ho so no wonda kwekwe ama efia me efa me na efia
ma
we dey pa okun cho sesia me pesa mete so pa ne cho kana minti e boni di ne pa ne cho miti o
me mo bedroom me no para nada
alcohol sorry alcohol miti o wait I'm waiting for you miti o men kat o kat e dey asamato men kat ne kwa to boko yes to boko yo
paso me so facendo ni bien
me ba cho say
me catch you
sanke bio na mintie o hello kasa mintie o
me brother me pacho me stro me nyesa bio pam boni teme
yo o say bra kwame wo yiri so opacho atem didi odidi wo no wo nyesa bio na fache no bra kwame wo di ache no
bra kwame pacho ni ami ye manyi ni ye ntime so fache no
yo bra kwame pacho fa phone ma no sweetheart, if you have a phone in my bra kwame mame. Bra kwame. Mame. Menya wabusuani o. But Odo Ahomaso programming, ema ye busua. Ema ye busua, ye nuanem, ye jani enna. Mame. Ye busua kese pa, what you say? Atem oh, wo so wo sere bra kwame. Atem didi a odidi wo no. Eno cho na wapa wo no. What you say? One so as Berman no. Me mie wan no enfe ni di wo ba o person worry na tem. The American what say? Oba oni na wutu. Mo nya ne ho ade. O expect wo say obekwa kwa ne ho ade yie. Onu aduane ma wudi, o so niama se bo kwa adwuma na abrekra na wo kodo so ne beda. O ja ne ho ma wo ne da. Enti me sre. Emema so mo di ma na tem munye mo hwe na munyai. Bra kwa me. Medase won so pa ne cho se fi na akwai woni na tembium mitie o
ekuma mpacho oni mibi
debi
me die ne se on oya ade na se
bra kwa me tie me mpese obobo nkro bi abiom wo yinsa na me kan na mama oba na pa o cho se oni wa tembio won so pa na cho se woni na tembio oya ade aka kire no ba me fa tembi di enrem that's all I'm saying enti didi atem na odi no na me kan pa me pese me tisa wo pa ne cho men ka ti o
if you am pacho me pacho me se me ye obio
mama wa san kura gume na bra kwa me wonim se oyire afia oyire oba be wa na ema ye afie onim mfia wadi o bra kwa wadi mfia he
me pacho no 35
o 35 ma oyire biebi ne maso oba ne hu wo oba sa no
obeti
me da se
ani de me koba adwuma no bo bampo a me nye adwuma
yo yeti o pani sei enekosi enra ewo Odo Ahomaso na saa enkomo no a ye bo tenten saa no koti ewieye no na emema bebre eni aba wo ho so ema bebre nso eni aba wo ho so ebi di ade abo mu krumu timu ebi ahwe omo yiri mu ani so ema moja gina so efie ye nkasa wo I had the wall of roses action na mudi ti fie ho oba be nu aduane be mani o say otoa but enra enkomo ya ye bo Odo Ahomaso ama efie bebre eja na edare wo sa efie no mo ahye je say edum ni nyina ye nyame enu nti enene me ne maame ye hwe say edie ene di atemdidie eba na eba ne sen ena ba ma so de atemdidie bi ho na modro jai ene so ameti enye easy o
meme bi anu ye ya obi a
nana mo mreso na etisa
akoma wo medem aware fiti aware ahya se bepem ne etisa bibi eni kan no enya afiansa na eba ewo but say population wise no ne ye no so
that's right
and tetefo no they had respect for marriage ye ne nam one fact bi ame nkam pese me kan ye ne nam ne ye peke ye nkunu no family to family inti afutu awokwa wabusua de be ma won be ma no so afutu wo be ma no inti ubongu se so opese wo ye bibi hape na sa afutu no aba ba se ye nam nkran ne ye hia ebiane se 5 years no kimpe no waye
kola mienu abepie mo
on po waye lucky boy and girl
oba no so ni be ma ni fia weti
enti such ade no they don't have respect for themselves.
Okay.
Womunya family blessing. Yes. Family blessing ni wa. I just say nsuo to na udi na nsuo akatewie bi ankata wo so. Yes. Na wato obo na ko bi so ba nase afifie no maye bibia wo ebusua bi n'anima ubebu.
Felicia say or Cape Coast and or hey or say efida omo worry ye ye bless awade na so omo call honeymoon atemdidi e won besine but enra no she just send the son say enra no na no nkwa no hwe and only niku na hwe na papa no do time he put papa no question I did niku no adwane akoshe bedroom that alone po emi ehu say onya nuhu bi enti Felicia by the close of the program no ye ebeto ye. All right, so just keep your fingers crossed and everything will be all right. In fact, and then minim de edi wunya, minim de jojo wo, minim de kodanda. Ebia na nenso asemu a esi wa wade bi mu, empatwe bi mu, efie bi mu no, ebe different. Ebe hye yen cry, ebe bie ye ni. Ebe man yema akoso, but answer na me activate me phone lines no. Ma me fa seda kese enfama me proud sponsors. The Royals and Odi Global Firm. A shit tight. Ya don't want say so much so ya snake near to me Odo Ahomaso brewo ya wada any fide bia no afe anajo black mosquito coil the insecticide spray and afe the fly away fly killers no so ya don't want say and afe give us P power capsules give us core capsules ya don't want say so much ya snake say dear umre na so come Instagram page Atakuma Mama Zimbi fa won comments na ebra ho na making camera you say maybe phone line see and you be biara na ne call no ebetumi abetu me da say papa so enya mre na wo hwe in fact your very long weekend your long weekend di afutu eko and ebi mu atu na utu no yire na call ye unu ku na call ye and obi mpna obi na ade na eko me pa cho me nua ba san wachi na fa bra me da say enti no betimi afresh esi a e was 0302 211 701 0302 211 702 0302 211 703 and I say 0302 211 704 Mestre Selma o television volume no aba form say be frɛ na wo kasa obi biara bete na me nso maso wei anya me ya maso no entimi anya me ya na bibia enya kama me be ko Instagram page no emra ye twɛn sɛ adɔfo no nso ebe frɛ na mode omo nsɛm no aba ebia na bibi di wunya bibi jojo wonti bibi ase enne ni ho eje ni ho oba peni bia ni fie wonso amankonya anyonkopa ana efutu a wono fofo ede ma wono ma ne ma nkoso na emo ma ne ye basa mo o program ni so ni Odo Ahomaso
eno na kamba beka no
me pa cha say
eno na kamba beka no say awarefo bi ni mu compare won aware
all right
with others with their past
me da say opiti me ma akwa ba de ba Odo Ahomaso opiti hey na of banyo wiega nyemi what eh wie mo gan bo choka jone yo oyiwa don opiti wo bo tu e all right wow. In fact, opiti o chwa keshi o nga no kele yo
a girlfriend
hello girlfriend o nga no kele yo no fe he ni ni o fan gba fi o no baba body enche o na anyo ke o nga e fe jolly ni amen wi amehe ni oba no wie na hu o nga no shishin ba e wie la mo na no kele ba nshin ogbele o hin me no kwe
dabi e kele be no no be la ka e re abi
oh
ye ra mo yo e ko ko ni ba
e kula me kuyo e ko ni ebe no le
dabi no mi o ga no le le
boni olele se kula o yiwe o nga lele
dabi ni lele
obile de ka lele
obile e di sapka be ka wo
I see
no e di tap ki mo lu mo no si de na mo ka ba out
hey
bi ani e bi abo e fo ya ma ne fo le ke ba pa mi ba ti ni ba no bi ani nkle ye bi 5 years girl second born 5 years ni be ne ti o bi ke so mi ta ma e gbe te ni le right target ani ma e gbe ta lo uchi gbe ta ale
oh gbeke na 5 years ne ka o ye evidence ake gbeke na 5 years o nga ekwele ojogba be abanya ake ha bo shike ekwele ojogba ni je jealousy alo no sumo no kele a cancer krale be je ye 8 years and above dani obanye oya wole
she na ni yo aka ke gbeke je school ba ni sale fele e cho na ngugo ke cho wole
no jake ka o ye ne ke even
every weekend I get 50 Ghana for top money every week. Every morning from pay up to 300 Ghana.
Oh.
Bonus.
No.
What I can expect in you, mommy. You know, the best thing, mommy said, I want to because of your work, can't get about you, where I 10 years ago, you by your back.
Okay.
I need to tell my question. I need to get a custom, but you are getting a custom, then became a custom back.
Good. No menji evidence any in we akashi. Obanyo domono. Koni oka hegbe ken ye you ede. Koni eba hibo je. O fa no no menshi. No bia ne gbala ngbe ashe.
gbege you alone
le gbege you
okay she gbala me nye fitele kra okay no one eshi okpata shi ne alo na eshi o mase ne how many months ne
1.5 years ne
1.5 years ne bebe je gbala don nya fiti alemo oh she why e ya hunto ke higbele mini no ni bu yo ni nu efe o ni oba ngo he ni nu koklo ke ba bon wo ke ba ami nye mi meye mi pa fai
ni no koklo do na tensa ni kanu ba fi ni e ke ba ka ni han te kanu
no ji musu e no ji musu e
bata for 1 year
ehi kula enye nu gbekele tombo ni wie ko evidence akeshi ekwa gbeken ojogba gbeken future ehia oba anyo domo no ko ni akegbekan ahabo onu Yo, you are done. Dear Minia Pity of Freka and say, Why worry on any rate to her? Now, to Quanka cry a cobaye, or buy ye, or no bearman and a damful, on any rainy sheho. Ye buy ye cane, or buy no end ten and one say, or buy no bush and so run away patcho, but that's now 1.5 years in it. But our banning team me patcho, that Mrs. Sandy and then say now I review. But the problem says Yana say, one and no ma, me no second born with 5 years. Na ni we no ente ne ho hwa akwala no ama akwala na de sua e ba fom na bofran so de odi 5 years e kona wanyi obi ma na antensen no a na e ha adwen yi papa na bi san say evidence we away obetimi de agina so na yetimi de akwala no e de ama no na wetimi ahwe abofra no but e ana ye niwuo menuanom se wonim se wo no ba no a hwe mo ware nne within a week, within 2 days, within 4 days, within 2 months. Now, what Bema no feel say you don't love that woman anymore. You should divorce that woman.
Can't say.
Jaisa awadiano. Waba. What feel say? Nanka minim same do. Minim same to wase. Baby be edu die or doni ni wa. Men na awade na say. Emma Bema fufro. Anyone na. Emma man koswo. No me.
No me.
Wahon. Say a word in there, I want to mean ya direct. You make us someone separate for some time because beer or bear man the best son or banana son ni a son de banche abong mumu. Wahu
Ma kuma adultery.
What because more from 1 year, 2 years they court before say Monte Cacre be and say bem. It's me sremo. Minion may be able to sign a mono and yet it's not good. Hello ni. Yama kwa badi ba Odo Ahomaso ni.
Good evening.
Me da say more done so great. Na ni u frefi Ablekuma. Me da say etio.
Muchono fine pal, very dedicated.
Thank you so much. Ever since the year 2000, say ya na ye. And so man yan tum. Mo ji tum ntem ankenye ni. Yeah.
Yeah, mo kan de man de mo nso mo popa mayo.
Mani binye yi na ne enye.
Yeah, okay. Bese me yire eda ha o hwe.
Good, wonderful.
Me bese. Oto no popa mami.
E de na wa ye nti a o se me ntu no fo.
Oh, nyama de bebre.
Kan bi ma ye nti
ni o mne se otie Adam fofo asempa.
Oh, you are.
Na senya miniti no. Senya miniti no.
Yeah.
Ono onim. Ya wankwala mienu. Nta for 2 boys. Na okokrum no goti asema no ba. Onya butre mbisame.
Okay.
Ntokwa. No di ntokwa. No di eshiame. Ejami so mi na me bibia ofi.
Ada oyiro onya adwuma.
Oye adwuma.
Onya adwuma.
Oye adwuma.
Good. Enti nya ntumi ka so na aye bibia. She also help in a way. Me ba cho ni wo kan gu yire so dodo. Fa phone ma yire no.
Otiada bofo pa enti turofo mami.
Mate, me pa cho fa phone ma yire no. Hello, nyame yo. Oh, okay. Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Inya yo tete.
Oh, fine.
Yo one dining machine. Okay, oko wu fen nye na mi share. Nye tanye smart TV, Adom TV, nye nkwewo. Owu leke obuo na ne mentwe wa. Ni wakwe anu nokwe be o na twi kura ko ba no action. Maba, ke mo miko.
Oh, fine. Then we feel nyanyu matan. Feel ye asan de chok. Oh, you can ba can me fu can ye.
Feel ye asan de chon o feel like a shike owu kemi pe ne kemi wie. Ni ekle wo mo be jolly Jimmy alo mini.
Oh, fane da we inna ni bi ko me.
Mini ni bi ona ke mo wonu.
Oh, fane.
Yeah.
Ke mami e ba se oya.
Okay.
11. Hello. Tell me. Can you be? Dede ba ya. Better be a war.
Okay.
Dede ba me war. It's Sunday lecture. Every Sunday a program near. Kaje someone no. Nyanyu mano ya la lemo ona. Every time you see, I can have or cousin, I can be near for.
Oh, I will let me in each much more.
Oh, honey. Lelente,
okay. Ni Okalaya saw Mokome.
He answered one in the way I saw.
Can you bring your hishi and I can cable?
Then you were fair wedding in Yamas or more sharpen in Kaya. Many
so more, yeah.
Oh, yeah, granite light of stars.
Nile who many so may ya.
Yeah, Methodist.
Ah. Nini Methodist o konga. O ngaka ya Methodist. Well, ehona jeme doubt say ba.
Yeah. Offer the cat can collect so more, not pass so more. Efo that there can mean but an account with that. You could over cash because neither yan
Jemme.
Ona. Back with taxi there and yet efo that.
Okay, no war. Yo in Nuboshishi. Obomode. She ni canoni ongawi obiane. Okay. Canoni ongawi obiane ni nako feel like so bad. Ona, nye fair wedding a Methodist. Agbene se mi e woko onga akababo so modon. She lay somo. Meanwhile, pa for. Oh, sweetheart, how me 2 minutes? Equally that Jimmy your youth. Alone no come for meeting feel my back, but be a mommy. This thing happens. He be
over them phone. Over them phone. I'm a unicorn.
Oh, fine you.
No need to tell me or minji.
Yeah.
Say with him it's mumre.
It's me and a devil.
There be it's mumre, me and Cassam Bearman.
It's mumre. Ah, okay, yeah, okay.
1 adoye.
Okay, 2
in leboni achio money atwa.
Okay.
E wo kemu ko approach mi ke no ko. Masuma ke ma attend to more. E ko le in your mains, in your guild.
Yes.
Ti no le yu akesi nke e ya ameso mo ni won we ni mi ma yan so mo.
Mini ke na kan eba. Mini ke na kan decision eba.
E ke wo so mo ate oshin ate ositon.
Yeah, method is say.
Method is say. Bona.
Yeah.
And quite sign again get small. Mi unye ma forcefully.
Okay.
Bona ni e wo ke wo pass o mo e ko ni won fe men's meeting.
Okay.
After men's meeting e ko ni wo ba keshi afi guild meeting.
Okay.
After guild meeting e ko ni get wo pass o mo ko ba approach oh Mr. Hammond. Ofane mene yin no ko neke nye wa ka himfo na ka menwa da oda ni nye ma ka himfo ma da shi before God and man if ye asani
yeah
that is if ye asani because I have a responsibility on me.
Great. She
I know I can see I have a very big
responsibility
on me.
Yes.
So why should I do skipping?
All right. But what it is
at least mbashia ko no iwotwi no bi mi akoni neke no shinke mbashia no mugwe ke bonu ko ekeke mbashia o attack me nitafaje mi nye bema senseni mi nye bema e wa mi ko o attack me fourthly tafaje mi se ma defending ye bono jishi no akobo fe me I know I can see it's not true
ni ajobrel naturally but we no ni yo minjo na she you are enna ekebote some for some time ni enna aka shekole neke awula ne alo neke mami ne bonek wagbansa ne je etwina esmo shekole the same particular lady or the same woman le no okafio na kanie ni esano le hu aka shi bode chonchu oni le but maybe you work from Monday to Saturday so it's only Sunday that your time can weku me ni bia no you na ko o your men's meeting or your youth meeting or your guild meeting. It is too much. It is too much.
No ni yo minji de da ne ona min to my very very tight. Ona ni to my very very tight. Ona
okay.
I have a whole lot to say, but I can say it on air.
I know.
Yeah. And everything as a man, I bear it as a man.
I see.
Well, if anything, we just naturally, no, you upon the anuqualipo. Naturally, Kodeke Bashia, Kodoke Manishoda, Luni, Neken, you
okay.
And quality market, can't quality, no, you, Ebony. Nike, are you? Nini, Jenna, Fabian,
all right, ni. What? No, Naji. Both of you are watching the television.
Insecurity.
Yes, ni check ni lehu enye Ole, you can do whatever she needs on this planet Earth for her. She could not time, okay, Hale. She will never ever be happy. Ona a complaint akashi, you will go out, you don't come early, 10 p.m., 11 p.m. Okay.
In Basha late, see day 10.
9?
Around 8:39.
8:39. Okay.
They see me before they sleep.
Okay, but then only chumo. No make time officially occupy your office.
In the specific time.
Okay, but you should get at least in your office 6:30 or something. Yes.
Yeah, at least tomorrow 6:30.
6:30.
6:30. Monday say a guild meeting.
Okay.
Tuesday or tomorrow 8:30. 8:30. My traffic me with my show 10.
Okay, good. Ona, it's not even good for your health. It's like when you close you close at 6, you go to church, you come home, you get home around 8:39. That time you eat late. It's not good it's not healthy for you.
Most of the time in late. Because in Lakesh, I know all those things.
So you say you don't eat dinner at home? You see?
No, every day.
It's wrong. These are the problems. It is not healthy at all. Ona, if yes, you're not making your wife happy at all. If I finish my sister, I will not be happy. You are not making her happy because relax. After this issue, there shouldn't be any quarrel.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, she loves you so much. She will prepare a sumptuous dinner for you to come and eat. After you closing for work, instead of you maybe going home to go and eat before you go to church, you will go and sometimes she's not happy. Make time for your wife. Make time for your family. It's so important.
I've been doing that.
And then don't say you are so passionate. If anybody asks you something, you can never say no. Try to say no sometime. Try to say no sometime. You see, because if you say do unto others what you want others to do unto you, let the tables turn right now. And I'm sure your wife will be the type who is really heavy, and her back, her front, she's beautiful. If the table are 10 and she doesn't come home early, she goes to church, she's attending to women, she's attending to men, and everything, anything that a man asks anybody, she start giving, you will not be happy. I'm not saying you should be a miser, but please, you have a family. The fingers are not equal. We have dry season, rainy season, and the other seasons.
Thank you. But I've been doing my impossible best.
I know, but Charlie, relax.
Keep quiet.
Oh, no, don't ask her to keep quiet. You are both talking. I will say, Madam, keep quiet, or boss, keep quiet. You see, these are some of you see, you are portraying your characters to us right now. You see, you don't tell your wife to keep quiet, shut up. Come on, when I speak, no. You don't tell your husband that. You don't tell your wife that, please.
You don't shout at them.
And it's like you go to church 4 times in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Sunday till you go, and there's no time. All right, so please apportion. We all serve God, but apportion. May that say, apportion your time properly for her to enjoy you. You see, you do all this hard work. When you get home, you are not able to perform. You are not able to perform properly.
I perform so much. I perform so much.
Yo,
Tell you.
listen, you see, some men, at this time you perform. I mean, you work so you forget you grow old, and the time that you grow old, she's so strong, and that's when you need her to come and sit by you. She will say, I'm going for a walk, because I'm going for this meeting, I'm also going for women's meeting, and you've forgotten those times. You left her at home with the kids, and at that time that you need your wife, the kids will not be home. But right now, she is home with the kids, so they will grow and leave you. As married couples, we need to cling like this. Sweetheart, many ba Jenny, we are name we bang on a channel of thank you, nanny, or babon le jemo, oh fine. Nye fe mistake. They will walk be a few, sit down as husband and wife, and then arrange your things properly. Please. Sweetheart, do you hear me? And you two, don't be too jealous. Woman, don't be too jealous. Okay?
For that one, there.
May that say. Thank you so much. I love you more. You might join your fan. In a nutshell, Adishima, or you know, Kunomo held down my soul. So, and okay, my main for Paul, now, maybe I'm explaining for Mama. My just watcher, forgive me, sweetheart. Maybe I shall do maybe I'm free. Hello, Paul.
Hello, madam. Good evening. I'm calling from Christianly, Achimota, Kisema.
Medase Kisema.
Yes.
Okay, close to my church, St. Thomas More.
Yes.
Okay, Paul. Lower the volume of your television set, okay? Lower the volume of your TV set, please.
Yes.
Good. Wonderful.
Today is my first time watching your program. It is very interesting.
Thank you, and educative.
Yes.
It's informative, educative, interesting, and then more things, right?
Yes.
Good. So, Paul, we are listening to you.
I want to speak to you privately.
Oh, really?
Yes, please.
Okay. So my number is 0244 26
Hold on.
I'm holding for you.
0244.
Yeah, 26
26
12 00.
To confirm, 0244.
Yes.
26 12
Yeah.
00.
Exactly. So, Paul, it's also a WhatsApp line. You can send me WhatsApp. Don't say hi, but say hi. Okay. This is Paul. I call your show. This is my problem, and then we continue from there, Paul.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mama.
Thank you.
The program, is it every evening?
Yes, it's Thursdays and Fridays, 11 p.m. to 1 a.m.
Okay.
And we also have the radio one on Adom FM. It's Wednesdays and Saturdays, 10 p.m. to 12 midnight. So Odo Ahomaso is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Two for radio.
Yeah. Thank you so much. God bless you too. So Thursdays and Fridays, 11 to 1 a.m. are TV, and Wednesdays and Saturdays are radio at Adom 106.3 FM. Yes, relationship issues, marriage issues, all this we do discuss. Adeshimaima, ni fro you on any television and our fre program so now say ni no problem issue ni kasado do nyi ni ni asemo kan na metie ni nyina na me se me ni nkasa ni maso a che se obema ni time o ma fie ntem okọ che se oye emasem na me se sa enye se opema o but as our time e ma abonten so for more e chen or yiri ene ne ma no o ka say we bisa say awade mu no e de na emra first wono de wodi na adwuma enamfofo ena na ere no yelas ene kwa ekitu abi wono so a enye tembia no didi enwumra aduane wo fie wo ye oyira nka woni beje ka woni nye ti say onya time papa bia ene na yaken okwa asori nso a na ye pon asori o meetings be 9 o meetings be 9 o kosiada emema ni bi munya sa de no obeko meetings be na mra wo no wo yino ma ba asori na nka wo ko baako a na muko ade sorry a committee and 9 ade wa join group and 9 edoso wa join na emienu wa join na so na emienu groups na wa so wa join na emienu ebe ye so afen so the type wa also ehumobro enti de obi be sani bia o de ma no
at the expense of your family
anya fe me kan se me ye moa o ye moa but at least ye fa ebuo e ma ye ma ene ye hwerenom ehunya papa so won so a ponte wo ma fie ntem na oba to ne bo ye aduane oba ba so abre na o ye aduane pa o twon se be dibie no na wonam krom oba wo didi kwa na wutonko oba de no perform me can some perform you say hey
perform well
or perform them well one of these days me who ekura me rewura piem na ma me dem say just say mo program ni o ye ba na mpratwe awade a ho tie a odo mapom de Odo Ahomaso Yankopon Adom if you do Sony we are still counting your one and only Akuma Mama Zimbi ene me mpanifo akukudam mo so wetin abeka a resource person o me hear more resource persons me hear more young men more young ladies elderly people asofo obi biara mo mra ne mo odom komo because asumdie e wo fia ena adwuma ekoso ye nyame ya adom a 5th August na Odo Ahomaso yenya 17 solid years Yankopon Adom obi bia yemboa sisifo wa me discuss issues no na afa yenkoso
no last person no friend
ni
say ne yere epenamfo na there is no smoke without fire
yo
obey you ko obefie 10 11 nkwala ne bia wo nu baby a wotumi no won bonkomo nti hifa no beko ebi kura baby a on onyimfi ye no or that large family type
yeah
until she will fall on friends and her friends in be a one man advice papa
bia
yes until obefie ntema obenya na yere because time na yere de bekwa akobon komo wa bonten no ebi su betwa na afen so oberma wo ware a ukoware fi wo yere asori mu na wo de na ba wo asori mu on ukoware fi me kunu be ware me fi praise be no or the me committees.
Well, sisi it is wonderful say ukunu ebe ware and be ware na ebia moya adwen baako se me ko me yira sorry ana ya adwen baako na me ko me kunu asori two of you some be get that understanding but obi biara me dey say me kan na maka o say me gusu kan say be me bia munya kudro no bia kwa the first second born DNA no hwese ne dia no me nyai kan me sanso kasa wo ware a na woni wo yire anya adamfo woni na mo nkomo a obepa adamfo na abo nkomo one man na hia asem anya wa asem a obepa obi fufuro ma na hia asem na asem na eno no na de nsemba no enti me srew yenye time ema ye yire no mo yenye time ema ye kun no mo yenye time ema ye ma na ntiase yenye adwuma sisi koso
pitin su se opiti o se otu kwan bai na adamfo afa na yere na
sisi sad and let's caution friends some friends who do that eye so bad o
eye musu ena sebi emia ni bi wo ho a wo ye sexually weak esan se nya se wuni kunu wo kunu wa wo ma enti okunu no kodi nasen okodi how many years
nani na so de wanya
one share wo so na ukofa na danfo wo fiam na motimu na papa no ayese watwe no ho na ne manu nso so the family kwan so a ekuma wo de be man
na me kan se
say egwamambo de obi enu o mbekase abofra ni nyin wo na adulterous environment
at all.
Yes,
it's not allowed.
Yes, into otumi kofa na ma
yeah
da oso wadem na ye besere se Yakobon fa na nsa nka na koma na wa ni abufu achi ankodi bone
yeah
yes ene problems na ye tie no afutu ewo mu no fa kire se womuku
papa
oyi didi no nyonko atam oyi se oyi mumi oyi se meyire penamfo yesre awarfo se womma nyamesom asem no kristo sem no entim yen entim won mo enchen madwuma me ame ye madwuma enti me mantem me ponso a ebi kura me ni di wo fie won obi a wawasi ni time anu aduan
na wuni
emfa ho se wona wo yi sika no ba ne energy no odi aye no kra no respect it nti Paul ne last caller no omre fie ntem no medi ne yire tuan no won komo na obedu fie 10 mo franta be kra no obehu
enti at a point you know so ba on nkla no o hebo mo yom homework after 8:30 na nkla na ya I mean homework na be no enka ni timo because they will be dozing daddy mistakes in kwa enti misre
na abofra wo benya abofra 8:30 ayi homework ta be
8:30 p.m. no matter time be
na je se no ma fie nyem timo fra ne si petwen no
ai they want to see daddy enti we are begging
wom ko school on beda
yedi ni asem way a steady case na obi biara on tutu nanamon yie na bibia enye kama. I'm going back for a commercial break. I'll be back soon.
The family that prays together stays together.
Yeah. Once again, Odo Ahomaso dear, you know, Thursdays and Fridays, 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. You will be informed, empowered, entertained. Right? Education is also there for you. On Adom FM, it's Wednesdays and Saturdays, 10 p.m. to 12 midnight. Meet me there and you'll be glad you did. May I say. Now, I know there are a whole lot of things I had this table free. Now, also free your mind, free your body, and then grow beautiful. All right? 0302 211 701 0302 211 702 0302 211 704. Please call now and then let's keep the conversation going. So for a while we wait for the calls, let me read a little on Instagram. And yes, I'll make us some chow marble. Mean to me in chamo mossa crack. Rukia receives a mama, you're looking sweet from Italy. My daughter Samira, she loves you so much and tell her I love her more. She should be a very good girl. All right. Akwesi says, Prema Medasio. Okay. Skyface says, hi Akuma. I they watch you live. Big ups to you. Big ups more to you too. Rich says, Mama Zimbi, you're looking so beautiful. I am so grateful. And I know you're looking more handsome. Right? With your 6 packs. Yeah. But I say, and see if I call so no, na feya to so na aye kama. Honestly speaking, there are certain things that I will see a share and my one relationship. Check if that guy really has time for you. Hello, Joe. Hello. Hi, Joe. We ma kwa ba di Odo Ahomaso. Me da say, Joe. Now frefi he. Sunyani for. Me da wasio. Okay, Joe, yetio kasa.
Okay, my worry. Me the man now 3. Na Odo any group chat here, WhatsApp group chat. Na it's a party, no more invite to group chat for we. Na omuba no me shada mo for na. Omu sa na for so worry me onye hu bomb.
True.
Can you catch me say on trin hu free me.
Yeah.
O catch me say on trin hu free me and then echna.
I see.
Bema ba ku bi wo mu a other friend. Me tell me number you very simple but was saving me number any me.
I see.
Bema na o friend no. On saving me number on the phone so.
the me phone a friend man no be 3 times. My man one is say ya mam on family me phone and friend.
I see.
Nti kuma o sha asadia we bibi wo mu anasa bibi nim.
Minti min chere mom. But the etienne say, "Sa WhatsApp chat na e bi ma form no. Me catch on ye me bi mu ye no ho. Enye won kwa no problem with this oh. There are a lot of husbands sir. Wo mo yiri no mu, any wo mu kunu bi akọ join some WhatsApp chats. Now things that go on there wo. Ye kan say blue film niema omo yiyi ni de omo ye no ho. E bi mu nso di wo mo ho papa wo. I know and you know. Entimi nua ba so wonim bia ye ma wo a this WhatsApp chat I'll stay away from it. Sebeka fra. Enye association bia and enye group bia na oba wari ni anase be ma wari ni e wo so wodi wo shame. Honestly. Entimi nua ba me pa chow. Wonim bia ye ma wo a sa papa no obedi wo free no akọ. Na nye free mpo wo san benya yade aka ho wasan nya nim guase enti me pa cho even me here bebre de me aka WhatsApp chat and I take time and I go through I take myself out of it. What you say? I take myself out of it. Even me ka ho akuma be my tips or be say I don't do that. Mo your group now you want education on your life. Bibi also ye bia just invite me and I'll come you see me ga feedi ga dochi. Because WhatsApp chat only at 2 is I don't contribute on net. I don't. Because when you study that chat I koswa said him bebre. Enti pacho put your foot down as a man. I'm not saying insult her or beat her. No. Hello. Who
Yes, macho
na o wife way.
Just me to kwan until oni me change this year.
Ah boy. E bin so wo fia ne monkomo. Enti na odi ho akọjọ ni sa chat you.
Ekuma.
Yes.
Ni obia ni bafie Saturday ni Sunday. Ni bie bi shedem sa na Monday bedo ameko ejuma.
Enye dem wo ba she ene ehia ye yo.
Ni ba o. Yo, ye di agro.
Okay.
Ya baby ami wonu won. Ejuma na di ni atukwan.
Okay.
Hotel ami demo a. Eye kama metumi akofa oba beda mi nchen.
That's right.
But nkwala I want me so eno no nkasa de nuanu ba I want me so amehwe amunti me din fie me fa me sika ya adifun.
Okay.
Ti onim se na me ti ni ma woni me ya investigation ni won say be ma na offer no I police police wo yo be eno mo father for onu enjise ho me ka say police wo nya tisa ba me say police wo omu service afate omu pemba pa
ebi ni mu pema
Edinum epen bapa. Na katia no on free group no. Ketia osi on free mu. Makasa osi on free mu. Nti ketia meso me din ya meso me ya ebe ma me watoni.
Oh, there was so who told na sebe obi ankoka se wo ye nipa bone ene se waka hye na ontie no ma na wofo nso asonte. So
okay.
Ma na wofo asonte se adi wen me hu se wo ba eye. Sabi enye police fo nkwan na pe ma o asoja fo ka ho seps fo ka ho immigration fo ka ho presenters ka ho won so adwuma o ka ho e se adwuma bia e ma pe wom enye easy o me ma pe so wom here se wo nipa da seni no ubenya self discipline now I can't say I will not do this. I am satisfied with my husband. I am satisfied with my wife. But now why do you think she doesn't want to leave that group?
On booming. So the flat before I ever worry no me give them on your man I'm no yet to see me into the customer.
Oh. It will assure pa say your wife is cheating with somebody in the chat group?
100% sure.
How? Is it the messages and our calls or no? And I'll be a confronto. Yes. Yo, umoni dinti ndi enye shekasa.
And maybe me to find me full friend. Oni bemba fufu din paso agro.
Hey.
Ya kan sem no me dia chen in your man to no chin or TV be about form this animal. I say,
I can't.
It's a me catching me, pencil be joining Bibisa.
And so, sister, I'll be joining.
Meaning one, but meaning that is that of about who meaning no obey and Palana money.
Hey, now I'm surprised. Bearman who are all the way, no, and intentionally or frail, ne won their way here, and I say mistakenly, and our year person who say, wouldn't you wa or be for dinner, ain't no frail one. What was the conversation?
Me friend, and Chebiana, and the Southman come here for an only third phone a friend.
Yay! And that sound the better now, what's here?
Oh, now I'm dear, or this other one say, into whom back.
Hey, Yamushia.
Who said that suit me Kaya, not be yummy, but or you be not me cannot need to 2 hours. Bibi, I am a shampalane in Namidaman Wakuma. Me shampalane and Namidaman Wakuma.
Oh, man, didn't fear him. Oh, man,
11 years. And on the Tosu, you know, 3 years.
Okay, that means what?
Last one here, 1.5.
1.5. It's just more worry at so. Na me pacho, what is set will be the weary. Now we didn't so or Casa say now home and temono. Who call you to me beside you? The reason why, yes, sir.
Kumana mean to me so my kumen.
And what did you do?
You do for your crab, I mean, giving Yama to grab on thing. I don't want them catch one.
Okay.
But later, me family, but Satan me or Baba Coupe.
Okay.
Me fa planu koe. Me shakulani sa me tiana me soon.
Oh.
Because papa in Burma me fa and a wuye. My Christian says the enemy maybe that.
Okay.
Me shakulani sa na me fine.
Jane back.
Edini back.
But Usha on se sign wo
Ukraine me shana me won't was some time I was joining that group chat with him.
Wouldn't him?
So best I go back to that situation maybe and me pen about.
Oh, okay. But say no one sure says she's cheating again. But group now are joining no any omoye party. I invite you by no show mo dressing. Ni wo mo niam omoye no. Who feel say we rejoin such a group, right?
Yes.
Me pacho Jimmy number wo ho. Na WhatsApp we yiri ni number ni din ma me why?
Okay.
Because right now baby asima bin say me catch wo, but because me NTA on the side I don't want to voice that thing out. Me person me ne we yiri nso be kasa na me nhwe. Why?
Okay.
NTA me number 0244 261200 0244 261200 sign a WhatsApp line
1200
0244 261200 men sumiti mu kura say wo mne mai say de be ma pese wo sun do wo yire pa so no mistakenly name be happen wo be sesan don't worry kajiko
yo thank you
yo me dan say yo elom so sorry and of course bebe nyina no it's a bit lengthy because some issues you know we have to really deal with it. Yeah, you're heartbreaking. Heartbreaking. Papa bin so anime akasa onu de mebo voice ne pa. Wa wari yo 12 years. And a baby bin so ade ne yire. And a baby ne 20 papa no and oba no so say ai hu nsem sisi o. In fact Odo Ahomaso amapa 17 years sisi for wa. Nsem amate niema ekoso.
What you be here na wo threaten no.
Na wo threaten papa no say wo be na ei. Then mama said, man, one day, I think next we should discuss that issue. I did continue about worry. Now it's me feeling what I say. And yes, what jaya wadio. Now it's me come up and for no dan no aquaba, no ne dan no aquaba to me boldly. I just say. Anyway. Hello, Ogre.
Hello.
Only my very last call. Ogre owo okay, she on tongue to man and answer Ogre Benny. Swedro, okay, Ogre Swedro.
Pacha.
Me da say Ogre yet you.
But married for 4 years.
4 years, okay.
Na the Puma.
Yes.
The dream one.
to Grace na kasa. Also away for 4 years. Now you want to ask here. Then I want to ask here.
Me see me the will be somewhere. Yes.
Obi heavy saying. Jina ye kakra. Jina Obi heavy saying.
On me. O person me. Intimacy me advice me who say me call master no car. Me for master. But the more I keep it to myself, I'm more affected.
Also, mentia, also who person na wokun.
Me kuma.
Wakuma fo no. Womo ne wonti ye. Adentia.
Me hu se me ne.
Oh.
Uso me den.
Omo se wo hu ya omo hi.
Sana me.
Oh, why do you also think that? Aden moti abusuan fie.
Da bi ni be on.
Wotin be wo mo, ni ukun tin be wo mo. Na omo be sram wo fie ana.
Ebi wa ha no be fie yo yen ano.
The action speaks louder than words though. Yeah. Okay. Now when you ukun akasa about it? And I ukun se de Onya ho hwe.
Won awo.
Me no child. So now shut me. Okay, can you say no yen young father? Now then I didn't for person no.
Wow.
Akuma won awo.
Mo ma he. Mienu. Me ya pass be bia wo gina wo kasa no. Wo line ni twitwa pa but say wo ni wo nu akran ware 4 years ni wakuma afo no. Wo mo say de omo no eye no wani nye ho. Wa kan kire wo kunu bo no so nkan hwe about it. Na wakuma afo ene onya papa aka kire wo kan hwe. O de na akọ wa seba ho aka akọ kan kire no.
Na so they didn't
mente the last one mente baby
na me see me some manage ntina
woni mente the all no biom enti jime number no 0244261200 WhatsApp line ubetimi aye WhatsApp recording na wo dey assign me ni nyina metie meyi wa no why sweetheart ba wo dey nya abotre akumafo de nya abotre metie ni here then I will ask you what to do akumafo bi ha adwene ebunsu is so loving and respectful so who worry now akumafo worry ya anomo ne adwuma bi ya na e yade so e your bre because omo problem na
hello
aha good mesu akumafo na ma worry
daddy
ani asema si wa mane nya abotre Onyankupo ma abotre. Why? Enti wo de frame ne ye mon komo.
Extreme case.
Yeah, mante. What's it there?
Subani here to the extreme case.
Subani there.
Me say Subani no kitani here to the extreme case.
Yo, mate. Wo de frame me anu aka. Why? Also soon ye mre no aswane sa. Sisi, a word.
And our moon sama yetiti no. Ehia abotre.
Seriously.
Aware mu atem didie e ma ware so.
Eni esisie e mu mpratwe.
Yes. Aware mu a obarima nya emre mo oba. E ma aware no enyina. Tembia no aye oya asoro ya. Meyere pe na mfonsem. Mikunu ma fie ntem bibi na twetwe bibi ba
eneba in fact sisi for wa emrena so ne sa but next week you know voices say ba any problem nyina no ye be sa boni nyina ye de esiye pepepe enu ade different from enne me da say so ji yan wa too e de ba wo fie o internet ne so abrochire Ghana how the regions nyame na aye me da me cameraman say papa me set designer me light man me sound man MCR sisi for wa ya hwefo obi biara producer director ye da mu nyina say prince eningeje to God be long weekend you be careful all right yeah da say we love you and I love you more
and our children who are back home
yes We love you.
We love you.
Yeah, man.
Yes.